Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Fashion Alchemist. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are beginner then please subscribe, and if you have already subscribed then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections and for more notifications. In this way you will never miss any video and collection of my channel. So how are you friends? I hope all of you doing well and enjoying good condition of your health. Today in this video I will showing you the most attractive, fantastic, outstanding and mind-blowing collection of leather dresses. These are amazing, dynamic and very comfortable. This is very easy to wear. These dresses are very beautiful, pretty and gorgeous. This outfit is for office wear, for party wear, for casual wear, for daily work wear. This is very easy to wear. You can wear these guys on casual, semi-casual, proms, weddings, parties, etc. So my dear friends, if you're loving these leather outfit, then I will tell you the best website from you can buy these online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections, for more notifications. In this way you will never miss any video and collection of my channel. And guys, there is tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. Follow me for fashion inspiration, trend reports, etc. So friends, the website from where you can buy these leather outfit online is amazon.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, timo.com and many the best websites. You can buy these leather outfit very easily. You can buy these leather outfits very easily. So my dear friends, if you're loving these then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more designs, for more collections. So my dear friends, if you have any doubt in this video then the comment section is available for you. Give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video, how was the design, tell me all in the comment section. And also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more designs, for more collections. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. So goodbye dear friends. Till the next video. See you soon with new collection.